So it's 8:27 at night. Our puppies are in my bed. And Fritzy is being a little stinker. I don't know if he'll keep doing it. Huh? He knows there's a camera on him too, which makes it even more funny because he's camera shy. Hey, Fritzy. What's wrong? Huh? What's wrong? Do you want attention? Hello? What? What? Oh. Fritzy, what is it? For the love of Chris, why are you so freaking cute? Huh? Huh? Why are you so cute? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, hi, Rudy. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, this is really up close. Hi. Why is it so up close? Oh, my goodness. Hello. Hello. Hi, Fritz. See that adorable face of yours. Fritzy! You've got like so much hair in your face. Hello. My adorable puppies, Fritzy and Rudy. You two are way too cute, right?